Hey y'all, welcome to the Box Tricks. With this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Box Tricks Iptv app on an Android phone. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to go to your settings. So go ahead and select settings. The next thing that you're going to look for is lock screen and security. You can either choose it as your shortcut settings, or you can scroll through and look for lock screen and security. Go ahead and select it. And in here, you need to make sure that unknown sources is on. And if it's off, you need to turn it on, because if it's off, it's not going to allow you to install any applications from unknown sources. So if that is off, go ahead and tick it on. If it's on, just go ahead and back out. And now we're going to navigate. We're going to go to Google. So go ahead and open Chrome. And in your search box, you're going to type in our link, and that's http:// bit.ly/capital TBT lowercase app, and then just select go. And it's going to ask you if you want to go ahead and download it. Go ahead and select download. It's going to go through here and it's going to download the files. It may take a few minutes or a few seconds. Just be patient. Alright, you can go ahead and select open. This is asking you, do you want to install the application? Select install. Okay, once it's done, you can go ahead and select done. Or you can select open. If you select open, it will take you to the screen where you can put your username and password